Hey guys, this is me, Tom Papen. Hey, finally, right now, Longva. So right now we are Longva, so we are going to the Myanmar border. So, sadikan guys, it's the lower ones, na. Yeah, finally the man Longva is, and then so the man, I'm out of India. Yeah, you know, out of India. Myanmar, you know, Burma. Aman janya so like Longva border, Longva bachai so ita Myanmar by na. So man jaya say, so ita aji the man journey suru as yeah, itu man Longva junction, you know. So ita man Longva bachai na. Man journey jawla sare, gari sare ko na lage. Footpath, peran jawla sare. So side agi interesting hobo journey to man laga, and then busti ka lokpa jare. Myanmar na Burma. Myanmar ka lokpa jam nihan. Dikhiu paro re gani tu koi dia. So ita hai na ita man Longva re ase. Ita suru la zaman ta journey. Are lambuna ka famous.
Hello. I'm gonna come up and oh.
Oh. Hello.